to Kea. We've just picked up our day passes, 140 baht for a whole one day on the BTS until midnight tonight. So let's go. We've just arrived at Kea station, which took about 40 minutes on the Sukhumvit line from Phunchit where we are staying. There's plenty of taxis available for us to get to the ancient city from here, but first of all, we've just spotted over behind me here an Autobot. So we really have to go and investigate why there's an Autobot out here in the suburbs. Over here, so we're pretty keen to come and check out what it is. And then while we're here, we've got these amazing murals on the wall as well. Was headed towards the ancient city and at only 20 baht per person. It's a bargain and we couldn't pass up. We've arrived at the ancient city. This is dubbed the world's largest outdoor museum. It spans 200 acres and contains 116 replicas of Thailand's temples and structures. So let's go and explore. So we're now inside the ancient city. We paid 700 baht each for admission into the complex, and an extra 350 baht for the first hour for a golf cart, and it's 100 baht per hour after that. So we think that's a pretty good deal considering this place is huge and we don't want to spend all day walking around in the heat. We're now in the Tiger King's palace, which is usually located in Phetchaburi, so this is a replica of his palace. How beautiful is this? It's stunning gold leaf, beautiful. We're just in awe of this place so far. We've been wandering around for about an hour now and there's so much to see. This is the pavilion of the enlightened, and we've walked in with no idea what to expect, and this magnificent Buddha statue that spans like 3 stories. Amazing. this place, definitely very trippy. The Ghost Museum, what a crazy experience. Never seen anything like it, but good fun. So that was the ancient city. We did encounter a bit of rain, so we had to hole up in the restaurant for about an hour. We've just finished off, and yeah, it's been a great day. Highly recommend it for a good day out and a good sense of Thailand in a day.